And welcome back to the review room. I'm Jim.
And I'm Brita.
And we are, well, a little surprised. I ordered a few things from Temu. Yeah, I know, Temu, right? And I just wanted to see if they're worth buying or not, all right? So you knew nothing about this. And surprise! So I got a half dozen things here we're going to look at real quick, and we're going to see if it was worth my purchase.
Let's check it out.
All right, the Temu, you gotta love the boxing. It's not orange. I did not get one orange bag. I'm a little disappointed, Temu. I like the orange. All right, I don't even know what these are. I forgot. It's been so long. It took a couple weeks to get them in. So that being said, this is for you. Somebody here likes to drive Lyft. She loves Lyft. She's always, oh, I wish I had a camera in here. It's so comical. Right?
Okay, I don't drive very often, but like once in a while I do. When I'm home, I'm actually a travel nurse. When I'm home and I'm on extended break, like 3 to 4 months off, I do drive once in a while.
Yes, she does. And
so what'd you get?
So I got this for her. Are you ready?
Oh God.
I'm totally excited. Temu, don't fail me now. Well, there's a power cord in here. Adhesive strips. And the big surprise. It is a camera for the car.
Oh.
How awesome is that? I think I spent like 15 bucks on it, 12 bucks. We will see how it does, and I'll get back to you. But, I mean, honestly, it doesn't look.
During the summer, over Grandma's Marathon weekend, we were in Duluth, Minnesota here. And I drove Lyft for the weekend and had several riders that were so funny, they were comical, that I wish I could have had them on the dash cam.
True story. It doesn't look too bad, honestly, for 12 bucks.
So I'll probably have to have them sign a release or something to put it on some of these reviews, but it'll be pretty hilarious.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Oh, I thank you, baby.
I know you were wanting that.
All right, what's next?
All right. Now this one, I think I made out on because I ordered one, and I do believe they sent me two.
If you can get into it.
If I can get into it. They were really serious about the wrapping here. All right. Okay. There's one. All right, show them what we got, honey.
Okay, it looks like we have a smart low voltage strip light.
Yeah, it's little adhesive light strips you put up around to make everything more entertaining. A lot of gamers put it up around their area. People put it in the room.
Is this what you're putting in our basement, honey?
And sometimes you put it in the bedroom for a little mood lighting, you know? Sometimes you know the help you can get. All right, guys? So I decided to order these. I thought these would be good for the basement, my office. I'll find something to do with them, but they look pretty cool. And honestly, I got 2 for 1, and Temu said keep them. So they don't want to go through trouble sitting in the back.
How much were these?
They were under $20. I want to say probably 12 to 15.
All right.
Got the lights, 2 strips of them, and the plug-in.
Smart control, stepless dimming, color adjustment, do-it-yourself decorator.
And the remote. And they do
timing function.
Yep, they have a timer. They do multiple lights. They do multiple patterns. So actually pretty cool. I would say this was definitely worth the purchase, under $20, because I know I have bought them before, and I have paid more. So definitely worth the purchase. So this would be a yes for me.
All right, next.
All right. Again, I don't remember what's in here. It's been too long.
And I never knew, so.
All right. Ho, 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 ho. Yes, it's
Merry
Christmas time. All right. Well, I will say one thing. If you're a guy and you like getting some naughty cards for your woman, Temu is a place to go. They're quality cards, they're cheap, and there's some really funny ones there.
Should I not look at this?
Oh, this is not one of those, but I'm just saying, if you want to get some naughty ones for your girlfriend or fiance or even your wife, I mean, it's a place to go. Have you not enjoyed the ones I've given you? Yeah, she has. It's kept a spark in our relationship. So this one is just the shitter's full. I just love the show. So yes, I got that, okay? All right. And, you know, I don't know about you at your work, but my work is always on fire. There is always drama and it's just always chaos, right? And that's the way it is in production. So I had to get a mouse pad. Everything's fine. When it's really not. So this was like $1.50, I think. This was like $1. Can't complain about that. Okay, now this one I am excited for. This is a knockoff, but I'm hoping it's a comfy knockoff. Crocs that are lined, that aren't Crocs.
Let's see these. I might have wanted a pair of
I
these.
know, see, it's excitement. I like it.
I mean, come on. Here,
Huh?
I tied a freaking knot. And what's the next one?
See, you never thought you'd get excited about Temu. Look at her now. It's like Christmas.
Oh, honey.
Oh, my. All right.
All right, we're getting at one shoe here.
One shoe? Oh, my gosh, look at those.
I can't even get this
I'm
stupid
telling
thing
you.
off of here.
We may have a double win here. What do you think of those?
I mean, to just slide on to go outside, these are awesome.
I mean, they're fuzzy.
What are these, size 9? Are they my size?
Then they're, I guess they may be now. Well, I did come from
Wait,
China,
I
so
probably
maybe.
do wear size 12. 13.
Nice.
I don't know. What size do you wear? 12? 13?
I wear 12.
Yeah.
Yep. So I'm saying that's a yes. So,
How much were these? Do you
oh,
remember?
those? Oh, they were like $7, $8. They were cheap.
Oh, I think I need some.
They were cheap, cheap, cheap. And this you will not be impressed with, but I am a shooter. I love shooting. And I got a set of noise canceling headphones. Again, these were under $20.
He loves to shop.
I do. Wow.
Probably more than me.
What? Hello? Yep, they work. You know, and you go down and you pay a fortune for these things for the noise canceling. These are great. I don't think you can go wrong. I think this is a pretty good little haul that we had here. Did I go through all my good stuff already? I think it's about all we got right now. Maybe I'll find something else I have stashed later I haven't told you about. But anyway, that's probably enough time with us. But, you know, we got the headphones, got the knockoff Crocs, got the lights here. And I have no idea how her car camera's going to work out. But we will throw a video up there later and let you know how these work out, okay? So, I guess for now, and a haul at Temu, which I think was well worth the money, that's the review room. We'll catch you later.